Hello everyone, I want to welcome you all to this training. My name is Edige Tangod. So in this video training, I'm going to show you how to create a Facebook page step by step. Right, so before we start the training, if you are seeing my channel for the first time, do make sure that you like and subscribe to this channel so that anytime I drop videos like this, you'll be the get the notification. Alright, so let's dive into the training now. So open your Facebook profile. So once you open your profile, click on pages. So once you click on pages, it will take you to this interface. Then click on create page. So once you click on create page, then click on get started. Then now type the name that you want to use for the page. So you must have gotten the name that you want to use for the page. So type the name that you want to use for the page. Then you click on next. Then you type the categories of the page that you want to create. Is it the page for music, for comedy? So you just search for the category that you want to use for the page. Alright, so once you are done with the categories that I want to use, then click on create. So just wait for it to load. Then to bring it to this interface, so here you enter the details I want to use. So you enter the first of all the bio, that is the description of the page, that is the bio. So once you are done, then you enter. If the page have website, you can enter the website. If page have email, you can enter the email. Then you can enter the city, the postal code. Then if you want the page to always open, click on that one, then click on continue. Then to bring it to this interface, so here you have to enter upload a profile picture for the page and the cover photo. So let's upload the profile picture first. So you can upload the profile pictures of the page. Then let's upload the cover photo. You can go to Canva to go and create some cover photo for your page and profile pictures. So once you upload it, then just wait for it to load. Then click on continue. So click on continue so that we take you to the next interface. So here you can either skip or you can enter the your phone number, your WhatsApp phone number, to connect your page to your WhatsApp so that people can message you direct to your WhatsApp. So change it to your country code, then enter your the WhatsApp phone number, then click on continue. Then here you click on once you get to this interface, you click on next. You can invite your friend or you can click on next. Then you can click on next to continue to the next interface. So you just click on next, then it will bring you to this interface. So once you get to this interface, so you click on done. Once you click on done, it will now change your, if you are using your phone, it's going to change to your page. You're going to switch to your page so you can do more setting for your page. So click on start toy, then click on next, click on next, click on done. Then click on the three small dot I can see on the right hand side of the page. You can just scroll down, or you can just on the top of the page you're going to see three small dots by the dashboard. Then click on it so you can do more setting from here. You can add an action button. You can either add a WhatsApp or add anything that you want to add to it, either call, email, contact us. So you can choose anyone that you want to add to it. Once you are done with it, click on save. So it will save that action button so that anytime people see it, they will always see. Then you can also do more editing by clicking on edit to do more editing on your page. So you can see change the photo, you can do more things. You can add the link to your page, you can add your social media, your everything that you want to add to the page, you can add it through that through here. Then once you are done, click on save. So this is how to create your page. So you can still do more or editing on the page to make sure that it gets to the taste that you want. Is so this is how to create your page. So thank